Hey everybody, it's Liyah Joinee. Hey everybody, it's Liyah Joinee and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing a top knot bun because I have been slacking on the hair videos lately. I did make a makeup tutorial, but obviously you guys do not want to see that. So yeah, be sure to like and subscribe on this channel, on my video. Be sure to like and subscribe, comment down below, turn on my post notification. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show you all the products that I'm using right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you all the products that I'm about to be using in this video. I'm using this olive oil gel, Lusty olive oil gel. Also, you need a spray bottle, brush, a wide tooth comb, a pointy comb like this that had like a pointy part, and also you need a toothbrush as well. So that's all you need. Also another bun that I have did, it's a messy bun. I will be doing another tutorial, a separate video on this hairstyle. So yeah, I'm gonna basically destroy it. And I worked so hard on it, but it's okay. It's really cute though. But that's for a separate video. That's for a separate video. If this video right here reaches about 60 likes, I'm going to make a messy bun tutorial, okay? Okay, so let's go ahead and get to the video because I talk too much. Like, comment, and subscribe. Since my edges are done, I'm going to get rid of them so I can show y'all how I did my edges. Okay. So first, I'm gonna take my spray bottle. Take your brush. Okay, so I'm gonna take my gel, do this very quickly. We're just gonna get like this much and just put it around my hair. And I'm also gonna put some on my hair as well, like on this part. Like any dry spots, I just put some gel. Okay, okay. You see how you see how sleek that is? Do I have any lumps? I feel some. I gotta get rid of them. So for the lumps part, I get a comb and I just brush it up a little bit. Get some more gel, just a little bit, not too much. Okay, all right, this is the tightest my hair, this is as sleek as my hair can get. So let me, oh, I see a lump. Okay, so let me go ahead and show y'all the back. There may be a few lumps, but honestly, that's okay. Okay, well, here's the back. All right. Okay. I ain't no ball spot right there. Okay. You're gonna take your scrunchie and you're just going to tie your hair once. Like, do not put it in a bun or nothing. Just tie it. Tie it as tight. As tight as you can. Oh, my arms are burning. Ooh, Lord. Oh Lord, my arms. I've been working out lately, so like my whole body is sore. Okay, so now I'm going to clean up excess parts with my toothbrush. So you're gonna tighten your hair a little bit. You're gonna twist it like this. And you're gonna put it down, this piece like halfway down. You see, oh shit. You're gonna twist it and then put this piece like halfway down like this. You see that? Okay, so then you're gonna take your thingy, your scrunchie, and you're gonna tie upwards. Like up, going upwards. So boom. Okay. So yeah. I'm doing this. And you see it's crooked, so I'm gonna have to redo it. Boom. It's all secure, and as you can see, I do have some, hold on, let me tighten it back. I'm trying to make it a little bit thick, cause yeah, just pull it apart like this to make it thick, so it can look like you have a lot of hair, but you really don't. That's me. Okay, so now it's time for the baby hairs, and I'm going to be cleaning up the rest of my hair as well, like these parts. Okay, for the baby hairs, you just brush these bad boys down like this. Take some gel. Always have some baby hairs ready for your hair when you do buns, okay? Do not brush them out when all of your hair is like brushed up. Like, that's not good. You're basically like tearing baby hairs from your freaking scalp. I like to do my side ones like this, which is so cute to me. I like that style a lot. And for the middle piece, I just brush it downwards and hold it with my finger and go up. And boom, you have like a baby hair right there. And then one on the other side. And make sure to brush into your hair. Do not brush only on your, whatever you call it. Okay, I don't know what I'm talking about. I can't see on this side of my face for some reason. It's so weird. Okay, so here is the look. Let me turn around so I see the back, the other side.
Yeah. I do it. Yeah. I do it. Ay. Man down white sheets, yellow text.